Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to be making Padaek. So if you're Laotian or if you're Southeast Asian in general, you know this stuff is crack. We use this in our papaya salad. So I'm going to show you how to make it today. Alright, so you're going to go to your Asian market and then you're going to look for the anchovy fermented fish sauce and also packaged tamarind. You also want to find your palm sugar, your shrimp paste, your MSG, and then your pink curing salt. To make things easier, I'm just going to list all the ingredients and how much of everything that I use so you guys can have that as a reference. First things first, you want to mush up your tamarind and then put it into the pot. And to make things easier, I put some hot water in it. I'm just going to assume that my viewers will eventually be from all walks of life, so once you get your shrimp paste container, go ahead and take that wax on top of it out. You don't want to eat that stuff. Into the pot everything goes before I eventually transfer this outside. If you have the choice of making this outside, I would, just because it's really pungent, has all the flavors of the sea in it, and then it's going to attach to your clothes. You don't really want your clothes inside the house to start smelling like this stuff, okay? 20 cups of water seems like a lot, but it will eventually reduce. This is optional, but if you want to, you can go ahead and add some red pepper flakes into it to make your padaek more red and vibrant. The next step is to actually cook the padaek, and you want to do this for about 45 minutes to an hour. Simmer this, guys. Do not boil it because it will boil over the pot if you do that. After a while, it turns into a brown-red color that actually looks really nice, and you know it's done once it gets to this point. So this is your final product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.